Beefy tires. Smooth welded frame with internal cable routings. Quick release alloy hubs. Head tube is tapered. Lock on grips. Deore 10-speed shifter. Shimano hydraulic lever. .740mm handlebar. Napaka-smooth talaga ng welding sa frame. Aggressive looking saddle. 34T chainring and Hollowtech bottom bracket. Wide gear selection with 10-speed cogs. Shimano Deore rear derailleur with manual clutch. Always on kung walwalan. Turn off kung tatanggalan ng gulong. Front fork is SR Suntour XCM, coil spring type, shock absorber. Quality wise, tried and tested ko na ang Suntour. Stock rim nito ay Aero at tubeless ready na rin siya. Medyo wide na rin ang rim na ito kaya swak na swak lagyan ng medyo chunky tires. Chaoyang yung kanyang brand pero tubeless ready na rin daw siya. To move the weight in the center, mas magandang palitan ito ng mas maikling stem. That is better. Let's go for a ride.